Someone's been here recently.
Why are you guys so susceptible to Rhinoc attacks?
Watching Jacksepticeye.
You guys not defend yourselves? Yes!
Yes, someone's behind me, I can see.
Yay, I did it! Thank God. It would be good up
I'll try to hack this.
Rusty!
Nope.
I was hoping you'd be a red dragon. Rusty, red dragon. Would make perfect sense. That's an opportunity missed.
What was that?
Right. I think we're done with this area for now. Actually, probably would have been faster. Oh no, there's no actual exit back over there. Like where you come in is really weird because there's no one of these doors there for some of the levels. Which level?
Oh God, what is that?
Boy.
Tastes like blood.
It's not so bad. Now he's going to ICP. ICP. Yes,
I can keep that for later.
Boom! I think that's all of them then. Ah, God. I know when I go to the end of the area, if there's enough dudes there. Snip, slide. Can't remember this one at all. I probably remember what I did it for, but I can't remember some of the names. Oh, I do!
This.
I hate this level. Because of that. And because it's a fucking... It's a
Felt like
level.
something entered me when I did that.
What fucking accent is that?
Active fish tank.
Sounds like you're from Minnesota. Sounds like you're kind of Canadian and kind of Norwegian at the same time. Don't worry, dude. I hit everything. There we go.
Some clothes.
Ah, come on, hit it.
Only suspicious thing I found are these.
Hit these fucking birds. Think I get a skill point if I hit the birds? I'm not sure. Oh, look, it's 10! Oh, God, that means I actually have to hit them all. There you go. You have to hit these.
Nothing.
Oh, it's so hard to aim. Oh, yeah, I can get over there. That's it. I didn't aim to hit a dang thing all morning. Oh, what the garsh. Oh, what the AT double hockey sticks. Jump!